Alright, back again. With VS Code ready, we need to make it understand Python, but how? With a cool thing called the Python extension. Okay, now I open the VS Code and there's this square icon on the side. Click it or press Ctrl Shift X, and here type Python. Good. You'll see one by Microsoft, that's the one, and click install. We have to wait to be installed. Okay, good. Now let's make a home for Python stuff. Anywhere on your computer, create a new folder. I call it first, for example, and in VS Code, go file, open folder, and pick your new folder. Okay. Whenever the coding mode streaks, create a new file, end it with .py. Let me show you. I call it test.py. Okay, and boom, you're in the Python zone. That's it. Next time we're diving straight into Python. It's gonna be a blast. Catch you later.